Hello traders. In this video I will provide an update on the development of EA Little Crazy during the trial period from November 18, 2022 to now November 27, 2022, or about 1 week. As I have informed in the previous video, EA Little Crazy is the most expensive Forex expert advisor currently on the MQL5 market. Can the expert advisor's expensive price guarantee a stable profit? For that I'm trying a trial first before switching to a real account. The hope is that it can provide a concluding picture to the viewers of the HG Trade channel. If you are a new viewer, you can subscribe to this channel to get free expert advisors and updates on the development of the expert advisors that I tested. I use the pair according to the recommendations, namely Australian dollar to Canadian dollar, Australian dollar to New Zealand dollar and New Zealand dollar to Canadian dollar. With the M15 time frame, leverage 1 to 500 and my broker specs use a standard account. For the broker that I use, you can check the link in the description. If you are interested you can register via the link that I have provided. For expert advisor preset settings, there are not many settings that need to be set here. There is only like this in its settings. In the previous video it seems like there are some who are still having trouble running EA a little crazy. It's actually quite easy. All you have to do is put the mshmg32.dll file in the folder you installed MT4. For the MT4 terminal that I use here is version 1361. For the operating system I use Windows 7. And as you can see here, a little crazy can run. Okay, you can see here. Opening of the first transaction on November 23, 2022. Until now there have only been 5 transactions. Like this EA trading activity is quite low. For details I will find information from MIFXbook. I connected the trading account that I used for testing the Little Crazy Forex Expert Advisor to my MIFXbook account. On MIFXbook you will see more detailed information that we can get. For how to connect a trading account with a MIFXbook account, I have shared it in the previous video on this channel. If you are interested you can watch it too. Okay, the deposit that I use here is $1,000. 1 week running a little crazy earned $12.30 profit. With a total balance of $1,012.30. Presentation increase of 1.23%. Then advanced statistical information. There also detected the total trading that occurred 5 transactions. With a presentation of 80% won and 20% loss. Profit factor 3.46. Summary pair. Australian dollar to Canadian dollar profit $10.93 and New Zealand dollar to Canadian dollar profit $1.27. And for the opening time of the transaction you can see here. Green for winner transactions and purple for losser transactions. For detailed trading history of Australian dollar to Canadian dollar and New Zealand dollar to Canadian dollar pairs like this. First I will look at transactions from Australian dollar to Canadian dollar. Okay, here you can see 3 open sell transactions. You can pay attention to its open and close. It looks like the transaction was open for quite a long time. Some are up to 1 more day. The second is open transactions from New Zealand dollar to Canadian dollar. Seen 2 open sell transactions. Please pay attention to the open and close. Of the 3 pairs that I have run this week, 2 pairs have open transactions, namely the Australian dollar to Canadian dollar and New Zealand dollar to Canadian dollar pairs. Then 1 pair still hasn't opened a transaction, namely Australian dollar to New Zealand dollar. Conclusion of the week of using EA Little Crazy. EA rarely open transactions. Only at certain moments open transactions. And when the transaction is open, the trading duration can be up to 1 day to close the transaction. Yes, please conclude yourself. The decision is yours. Make sure to do the observation first before using real money. Give your opinion in the comments column to discuss. Like and share this video if you think this is useful. Thanks.